This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. Let me close this application. Let me open the fresh application. So yesterday and day before yesterday, we are learning about ledger accrual schemes and ledger allocation rules. Okay. So ledger allocation rules also we have learned. Anyone has any doubts, any clarifications before going to start the session, please? Any questions? Yes, please. Srinivas Rao, anything to discuss?
No, no, no. Actually, it's posted all those things.
Fine. Fine. So then we'll go to new topic, credit and collections. Okay. So till now we have learned general. Yes,
Sorry
please.
for Satya. Actually, it's yesterday we are in that source mapping.
Okay. Fine. So basis method.
That basis method. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it was not completed.
Okay. Fine. So actually, I have explained the setups. So if you want a trial version, I mean to say, if you want to post a transaction, you can post. So the same way, whatever we learned for fixed weight, fixed percentage, the same manner you can do it. Only the difference is, let me recap in that case. Give me a minute. Allocations, ledger allocation rules. So advertisement expenditure, only difference is the complexity or difference. You need to define the basis methods. The data will be keep on changing, input data. Usually for remaining methods, input is constant, means you are entering one data entry, then output or destination is keep on changing. But now input also changed. I mean to say, every day there will be sales happening. Am I right? There will be sales happening. So in this case, source also keep on changing. That is the only difference, because source is destination. It is this destination value of the parameters is changing based on the source. So earlier it is some fixed weight, fixed percentage. We are entering some values, but whereas in this we are defining methods, basis methods as a different combination. That's it. So understanding, if you understand, that is fine, because whenever you are doing sales, let me show you. The sales will be keep on updating every day. Means if you are doing any free text invoice or sales order invoice, then revenue accounts will be posted, keep on posting. Am I right? Revenue accounts will be posted. So that means if you go to trial balance, inquiries and reports, trial balance, click on calculate trial balance. So it is posting the balances, like if you filter by 4 series, this is also sales value and this is also sales value. Okay, 401, this is also sales value, this is also sales value, different sales values. So if you post some transactions, the values will be changing. Am I right? If you are changing, so here it is not a constant, it is keep on updating the balances. Whereas for fixed weight, fixed percentage, you have entered only one transaction, simple. Source is constant. Whereas here, so let me update main account plus business unit. Main account plus business unit. And let me execute, calculate balances. So let me filter by 4. So here 401 100 001, it is some values, 001 some values, 001 some values, and 005 some values. So as soon as if you are posting sales order invoices, then automatically balance is updating. Then based on the sales value, source value with 01 combination, destination value will be changing.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah, I got it.
So I mean to say, source is also variance, keep on variance. Suppose it is 5 lakhs is the advertisement expenditure. Now initially this is 20 lakhs in business unit 1. In business unit 1 it is 20 lakhs sales, and business unit 2 50 lakhs, and business unit 3 it is 15 lakhs or 25 lakhs, and business unit 4 it is 5 lakhs. So total it is 1 crore. 1 crore. The total amount is 1 crore. Now 5 lakhs will be distributed between this one based on the sales value. So it is 5 lakhs divided by 1 crore means 20 lakhs multiply with 5 lakhs divided by 1 crore. Means it is that advertisement expenditure should be updated to 1 lakh here, and here 25, 125, 1.25 lakhs. Now the value is 1 lakh, 1.25, like this it is coming. Now there is no change in this all these three, but the value is like sales is increased to 30 lakhs. Then entire values will be changed. Got my point? Then
Yeah.
it is divided by 1.1 crore. So in this case, source and destination are variables. Source also variable, destination also variable, because of this one value, it is changing, it is affecting for all the percentage. So source also variable, keep on updating, because sales will be keep on updating, and then advertisement expenses will be changed accordingly. That is the only one thing. So you are defining source as a basis ID, and in the basis ID you are adding a combination of whatever the criteria you want. Got it?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
So the same process.
Okay, here we can map the source data whatever we want, right? Not only sales figure.
Yeah, anything, any combination. Best example I have taken. This is the best example.
Okay, okay.
So as I told you, like to understand this basis method, when I in 2008 or 2009, I struggled a lot because I'm not able to understand. There is no best example at all. So there is no sample data in AX 2009 version. At that time, the application is AX 2009. There is no sample data. There is no help in the Google. Nothing there. I need to learn my own, but I struggled a lot. but now it is easy. There is a lot of plenty of help available in the market now. Even if you Google it, you can search for best examples. Sometimes or sometimes maybe may not, but this is the best example like advertisement expenditure. See, Microsoft itself has given this sample example in USMF. At that time, it is not there at all. So if I want to explain to the client, I struggled a lot about this functionality. But now it is easy. You are learning from me. So frankly, I'm speaking, when I'm creating a sales order, I have not given warehouse in the new sales order. Then where I have to enter a warehouse, I don't know. Then I have closed the application, frankly. That much struggled I did it. I mean to say I struggled a lot in this process while learning myself. Of course, at that time, I have already, I'm working in different ERPs. I have 8 years of experience, but still I struggled a lot because this application is new to me in AX 2009. Fine. Any more questions, please? This is utilization only, simply utilization. Any more questions, please? Not only this one, any topic.
Yeah, USMS
Yes.
is using shared chart of accounts.
Yes.
Can we change the chart of accounts? There is the
Yes.
option.
So you cannot change chart of accounts like one thing. 3 points we cannot change. You remember, like in the company creation process, new company creation process, I will explain you. One is country, another one is chart of accounts, another one is accounting currency, another one is reporting currency. This 4 you cannot change once it is defined. What is this meaning of country? So I will discuss with you while creating a new company. So country I will discuss. Now ledger form, in this ledger form, you cannot change the chart of accounts. System will not allow you. You cannot change accounting currency. You cannot change reporting currency. And not only these 3, one more, whenever you are creating a new company, this I will discuss with you later. Organization administration, organizations, legal entities. So here in this, if you click on edit, the country of legal entity, it will not allow you. It will be disabled. But this is a demo data. System is allowing. System is allowing. If you change, it will allow you. But in real-time scenario, it will not allow to change this country. This will be disabled because this is a demo data. If you want, you can change it. It will allow you. So if you want, I will show you from other company. Like I don't want to disturb this one. Let me go to another company which I have created. So I have created a MLT company. Yeah, WEB is my own company. I mean, I have created my company. So if I click edit, so if I change to suppose IND, so it is telling like changing the current country region can cause the features to stop working and can result in data loss. This tool is for demo purpose only. Okay, and it can be only used in this company, sample company. But in real-time scenario, how the way it is coming, like the disabled function, it will display in real-time scenario in the client environment. it will display like this, disable. You cannot change. So in one of the support case, support customer or the person whoever is implemented, by mistakenly he has selected wrong country, he want to modify, not possible at all. What you have to do, you have to create a new company doing all the setups, because the country localizations all are configured in that country master. Okay, I will discuss with you while doing a new company creation process. I will explain you all these things in detail. So these 4 things cannot be modified. Whenever you are creating a new company process, you need to be very much conscious about these 4 words or 4 setups. Blindly, if you map any wrong, then it will cost so much money, so much time. So the customer has recognized after 2 months, and they come back to me like, can I change this country? No. What is the solution? Create a new company. Means from last 2 to 3 months, whatever I have many people, whatever they have entered, everything is a waste. Once again, new company should be created if you do negligence on company creation process.
Okay.
Yeah.
To deploy the environment into system, that is whose responsibility, functional or technical?
Deployment of the environment will be done by technical consultant. Creation of a company is your responsibility.
Actually, when the functional work will be started, what is the cycle of?
Okay, that is implementation methodology. I need to explain you. Definitely, I will discuss with you later. So there is one implementation methodology I will explain you. In that, you will understand clearly what is the life cycle of the implementation. Okay, Ram?
Yeah, okay.
One of the topic it is there, implementation methodology. So I will combine both finance and T&L together in the next month for a few days, maybe 7 to 8 days or 10 days, something. I will combine both finance and T&L. I need your cooperation. You need to join by 6 a.m. for a few days. Okay, 6 to 8 o'clock. So at that time, I will discuss with you. One is implementation methodology, one is company creation process, another one is inventory closing process. Inventory closing process is a part of logistics, but it will impact finance. So you need to learn that inventory closing process. All these things will be combined sessions in the next month. Okay, fine. Any more questions? Quick questions, please. Fine. Can we proceed? Any more questions, please? Okay, fine. Let us understand. Till now we have learned about general ledger module. Now we are coming to one more module. Accounts receivable we learned partially. Accounts receivable we learned partially. The extension of accounts receivable is credit and collections. Credit and collections. This module is not available in AX 2012. Means this is a part of accounts receivable. In AX 2012 previous application, this collection, credit and collections is a part of accounts receivable. Now it was separated as a separate module. Okay, so now we are going to learn about this module called credit and collections in this. Okay, before going to proceed, let me explain you on the notepad first, and then we'll come back here. Fine. So now I want to discuss. Earlier we have learned about terms of payment. Terms of payment. Am I right? So long back we have discussed almost 20 days before. One is methods of payment. Methods of payment check we have learned. Next one is terms of payment. Next one is cash discount. Whether you have learned, can anyone recollect? If not, I will recap once again. Terms of payment. Do you remember, or whether I need to recap?
Let us recap, Satya.
So suppose invoices happened. Invoices happened. Now immediately, if it is a distribution company or any organizations like a distribution company or manufacturing company, whenever they are selling this product, immediately the customer will not pay money. The customer will not pay money. So when he has to pay money, then it may be 1 month or it may be 45 days, like that. Okay, now we need to remember, we need to recognize, or we need to remember 1 month 15 days. You need to clearly understand, like there is a difference between 45 days versus 1 month 15 days. You should be clear. 1 month 15 days is not equal to 45 days. Agree with me or don't agree? Many people will think like in their mind 1 month 15 days equal to 45 days, which is not correct. The reason behind, if this 1 month is 30 days, fine, it is 45 days. If 1 month is 31 days, 1 month means 31 days, then it is 46 days. If 1 month is 29 days, then it is different. It will be 44 days. If it is 1 month is 28 days, then it is 43 days. Understood? Agree with me? Any confusion here? Anyone? If
Yeah.
in
It is
case,
correct. It is correct.
yeah, in case if I am generating suppose 5th of April 2021, then 1 month 15 days means 1 month 15 days means it is 5th of April means 5th of May, and then 15 days means 20th of May month. 20th of May is due date. 20th May will be the 1 month 15 days. If it is the same thing, if it is May month, if it is May month, then it will be 1 month 15 days means 21st June. If it is the same concept, Feb month, then for 21 it is not a leap year, then it is 28 days, then it will become 18th March. If it is the same thing in 20, like Feb 20, this is a leap year, then it is 29 days, then it will become 19th March 2020. This is called due date. This is called due date. Yeah, everyone is following me, or any doubts, any confusion here? This is due date. If I am giving terms of payment 1 month 15 days to the customer, customer will pay on 20th May, need to pay on 20th May. This is on 21st June. So if it is, even it is the same day, 5th only, but this is May month, then it is 21st June. Everyone is agree with me, or any confusion, please? Yes or no?
Satya, in
For
second case,
February, yeah,
Yes, please.
for February 5th, 2021, if we calculate
Hmm.
month 15 days, Payment date is 21st month.
No, because this is 28 days. Oh, sorry. Exactly, I agree with you. It is 22nd. I'm sorry. Your calculation is correct. And this is 21st. It is 29 days. So 5th, 1 minute. 1 month means it is 5th.
21 days. 21st.
Sorry, this is 45 days, not 1 month. This is for 1 month, 15 days means always. Let me copy this one. This is small mistake. Thanks, Ram. This is always 20th only. There is no change. If it is 45 days. If it is 45 days, then it will be 20th. Then it is 21st. And this is 18th. Then it is 22nd. And this is 21st. 1 second. It is 45 days means it is 19th. This is 21st. It will calculate days, exactly days. Then it will become 19th only. Agree with me? Is it clear? Is it fine now? Everyone? Any doubt in this?
Yeah, now it is okay, Satya. Yeah.
Okay. So now, so we should be very much clear about there is a difference between 1 month and 30 days. 1 month is different from 30 days. Okay. Now, because I need to explain you one collections related topic. So this should be very much clear to your mind as well as business people, because whenever you are discussing with business people, in their mind that is 1 month, but they will speak 30 days. They will speak 30 days equal to 1 month. But you should remove that concept from the business people mindset. You need to remove 1 month is different from 30 days. So you need to, because in their mind it is 1 month, but the words coming from their mouth is 1 month. It is 1 month is equal, they are thinking like in their mind 1 month means it is equal to 30 days only. But you should be very much clear about the difference between these two. Okay, fine. Let me come to I will come to that point, why I have discussed this point in detail. Okay, now suppose from customer A, I need to collect 25,000. From customer A, I need to collect 25,000. From customer B, I need to collect 5,55,250. This is the amount pending. From customer A, it is this much. From customer C, 8,500. Okay, I'm a sales manager. Now I need to collect money from these customers. So this is handling by representative A, collection agent. Another is representative B, collection agent. Now representative C. If I'm a manager, sales manager or a collection manager, then definitely I need to put a lot of pressure to my representatives, then only they will collect money. Otherwise, they will keep silent. Agree with me? Now, on which customer I need to collect money means I need to put pressure to my representatives. On first one is which one I need to focus. Can anyone guess and let me know? Whether
Sorry, sir,
customer A,
definitely.
whether customer A or customer B or customer C. One is okay, customer B. Any other guesses?
B Satya.
B. Any other guesses? Any other arguments? Customer B. Okay, fine. So everyone is speaking. We need to collect money from the customer B. Now, this is not full information. Half of the information only I have mentioned. What do you mean by half of the information? Here, this amount is pending from 15th October or 15th September 21. This amount is pending from 15th November. This amount is pending from 20th of April. Now tell me which account I need to concentrate. First 20th April. So our decision is changed based on that date. Amount pending from how long? How long the amount is pending? Am I right? The amount is pending from how long it is there. That is first priority. That is the first priority. It is not based on the amount. Okay, fine. Now, so if it is amounts are there, like there are 200 customers, there are 300 customers, there are 1000 customers, there are 1000 customers. Now, if I want to verify customer balances, I can verify, but I want a report kind of thing. I want a report kind of thing from 1 month. What is the pending amount? From 2 months, what is the pending amount? From 3 months, what is the pending amount? And 4 months, what is the pending amount? If I have a report like this, 4 months and above, if you have the report like for customer 1 or customer A, customer B, customer C, customer D, like this, from many months, from last 1 month, what is the amount pending from customer A? Some value. And from customer, like another month, 2 months, what is the amount pending? For 3 months, what is the amount pending? If I have this report, then it will be easy for me. I can focus on the last column, 4 months and above. It should be 0, because if it is 4 months means it is too much. I need to put a pressure a lot on my representatives, my collection agents, to collect money. Why it is delaying? Agree with me?
Yeah, Satya.
Okay, if the amount is pending from the customer more than above 4 months, then it is a dangerous bell, because customer is not paying means something is happening. So here in this, business people, they will use the word, the business people, they will use the word 96 like 30 60 90 days report. This report is called customer aging report. Customer aging report. Business people, they will use the word, every business people, they will use the word 30 60 90 days report. Customer aging report 30 60 90. This is most important for sales department. For sales department, this is the key report to monitor continuously what is happening in terms of collection. If you are neglecting the collection, no one will pay the money. Then if your customers are not paying money, your company is in a dangerous position. Okay, so in their mouth, business people, from their mouth it is coming 30, 60, 90, but in their mind it is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months above. Their words, whatever the words coming from their mouth, business people, they will use the word this one, but intentionally they want this one. They want this one. So even though they are speaking 30, 60, 90, you need to map 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but not 30, 60, 90. If you map days in the system, we have provision to select days and months, but even though they are speaking 30, 60, 90, don't select 30, 60, 90, select 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Understood? Any question here? How to configure, how to do it, I will show you in the system. Is it clear?
Yes, Satya. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me show you. The first one is aging buckets. Aging buckets. So let me show you in the system. Credit and collections. Credit and collections. Setup. Aging period definitions. So the word is changing. In AX 2012, it is aging buckets. Now here it is aging period definition. The first step is credit and collections setup, aging period definitions. Aging period definitions. Okay, first you need to map. So in the system, it is available 30, 60, 90. So this is not the correct one. Whatever the sample given by Microsoft is not the actual one. Okay, so you need to map. So because the first impression is best impression always. So in your minds, if it is going like 1 month, like 30 days, 90, 30 days, 30 days, 30 days means it is 30, 60, 90. Then if you map this one, it will create problems. So what you have to do, you need to map 30, 60, 90, 120 and above. You are writing the like definition as like this, but we need to map 1 month, not 30 days, 1 month. One month. And this is 90 plus any number. Okay, and the downside we can create node u. This is the best practice. This is the best practice. So don't use or don't look at this one 30 days, 60 days. Look at this one only, the new one, whatever I have created. Okay, fine. Why? What is the difference? Let me explain you. Suppose you are generating this report. You are generating this report. Suppose 30 days like this. What happens? $60, 90 days. And above 90 days, 90 and above, whatever it may be. Okay. So if you are generating, suppose, a report on 1st September or 1st September, you are generating 1st September on the month of 1st September. That means 30 days means back date, previous month means it is August. Then it will calculate 30 days means 2nd August to 31st August. Understood? And this will be 3rd July to 1st August. You can calculate back date 30 days. From 1st September, back date 30 days means 2nd August to 31st August. Agree with me? Any confusion in this one? And this is 3rd July to 1st August. 31 days to 61 days. 30 days means here 31 to 60 days. And this is 61 to 90 days. Means here it will be 3rd June to 2nd July. So it is completely clumsy. If it is like this, then it is 1st August to 31st August. This is 1st July to 31st July. And this is 1st June to 30th June. And 1st May to above all. Got it? Any confusion here? Okay, the report I will show you now. So I have created one report. I have created one aging period definition. Now I'm generating report. Inquiries and reports. Customers. Customer aging report. Suppose I'm generating from November 1st November. So I'm taking 1st November means the previous month means whatever it may be. Okay, 1st November, transaction date, aging period definition. I'm using the new one whatever I have created. Okay. So month, it is backward only. Okay, I'm clicking OK. So it may take 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'll be back in 1 minute, please. Okay, so now 1 second, it is, let me make itself. So here it is first November to, it is showing like, see, this is October 31st. Okay, first one is 1st October to 31st October, 1st September to 30th September, and 1st August to 31st August, and then above 31st August. So what is this? We will discuss this one later. This is a no due, and this is current month, current day or current month. This is the periods. Okay, let me generate once again. Customer raising, and let me print this one. Print aging period description. Whatever it is there, description you have entered, I'm printing this one. Means we have entered like 1 month, 2 months, something. That the heading also it will be shown. So it was entered like 39, 60, 90. So give me a second. I will modify credit and collections, aging period definition, aging period definitions. So in this, it is coming like 30, 60, 90. If I click edit, it is better to enter 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 90 plus or 90 above days. +above days. The heading I have redesigned. I mean to say I have modified. Now let me show you once again. So first time it will take some time. Second time and third time it will be quick. Without any delay, it will be processed. So let me execute this one. The same. Click OK. Now look at this one. So it is 30 days. From 30 days, it is pending amounts. And from 60 days means the previous month. 90 days means previous to previous month. And above this one, all it is showing. So this is total balance. This is total balance. By default, it will come total balance. Now, what is this two? I will explain you later. I will discuss with you later. Okay, understood? Anything, any doubt in this? Any confusion? So the
Satya,
name we are, yes, please.
yeah, we have configured it as a 1 month to 1 month like that we have configured it, but in the name we have mentioned it as a 30 days, 60 days. So
Yeah.
this will make confusion to the report reader. No, so they will thought 30 days means it will consist of only 30 days of dues, but
So
it is actually taking 1 month of
exactly,
collection spending.
exactly. So business people, they will use the word 30, 60, 90. If you are able to convince the customers or business people properly what it means, then if you want, you can write down. What is the problem here? You can write whatever the way you want. But business people, they will use the word 30, 60, 90 days report. They will use the word 30, 60, 90 days report, but their intention is this one. Understood? If you are able to convince, if you are able to convince the customer clearly, okay, what it means, then your wish, whatever the way you want. Got it? Their intention is they're speaking this one, and their intention is this one. So that's why I told you, from their mouth it will come differently, but their intention in the mind, it is they are expecting last month only. So if you are able to clear the information very much, then you don't have any problems. Agree with me?
Yeah.
whatever the way you want.
So you mean to say this terminology is a global terminology is used by the,
Yes.
okay.
So at least Asia region, Gulf region, and India region, they will use the terminology, because if you are in the system, we will use the word main account, but in reality, ledger account. Many people in the Asia region or Gulf region and APAC region, people will use the word ledger account, but in the system, it is main account. This is the terminology. In the same manner, this one.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Any more doubts here in this? If you are executing for the same, whatever it is default existing, if you are executing for the same report, already existing 30 days, 90 days, 60, like 60, 90 days, with the days only. Let me show you this one. This is already by default given by Microsoft sample data. If you are clicking OK like this, look at this one. There is a confusion. Days. Because it will calculate exact days. Got my point? So it will confuse you a lot if it is a days is calculation, means this one. Days calculation. Okay, fine. Now let me use our I don't want to use the existing default given by Microsoft. I want to use the report which I have generated. Okay, so in this, let us understand. So what is this 0? Okay, actually it is current month. If you select month, that's good actually. 0 month. Okay, let me execute once again so that it will show you some balances. So I have entered current month means 0 month. Okay, I will discuss with you this one later. 0 month. Let me execute now. Click OK. Click plus. So look at this one. Now, what is this current month means? In this current month, what is the balances? So you are generating for the last month, last to last month, last to last month. This is in the current month. Understood? Any confusion here? Any confusion? Because we are generating this is a customer balance. Customer balance is sum of the current month, previous month, previous to previous month. All these months should be equal to the current balance. Any confusion here?
No, sir.
Okay, what is this? I will discuss with you most probably tomorrow in detail. Okay, whenever you are generating report, we have 3 options. In detail, I will explain you most probably on Monday, next Monday. Customizing report we'll discuss on Monday. So there are 3 options here: transaction date, due date, and document date. So for customer side, it is transaction date and due date. The same aging report for vendor also we can generate. Of course, vendor is not that much important, but we can generate report. At that time, document date will be used. So what is the difference between these 3? In detail, we need to understand on Monday. Okay, I will discuss with you on Monday in detail about the criteria. the criteria. Okay, now we have details is disabled. If you enable details, and the report will be shown in detail. Each invoice wise it will show you. The same report, it is showing each invoice wise, each amount invoice wise. What is this? Okay, we'll continue on Monday in detail. This is most important for customers. If you are doing business, you need to monitor this one always. Okay, keep on monitoring, and we'll discuss on Monday. Any quick questions, please? If nothing, we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again on Monday. See you all.